OK，时间差不多了，这又到了今天就说什么东西了，就是可以总结今天的，我忘记了，我必须说英语。OK，I'm so thankful, like thanks for not that I really need a lot today, and today like 7:30. OK. I think I need a painter some skill to help to paint. Okay, yeah. Okay. Like 7:30 p.m. and I was do some like a Bible studies with my friends, like a Woody Brothers and a Big Mountain, Darling Brothers, and we study by Bibles together. We study the, yeah, the new what's this means? Let me check. Okay. Yeah. Like a New Testament. New Testament. I really know not. The first one is like no for first one is like try to use English as much as possible. The second one, the second one is like make a detailed schedule for every hours to set self stress. Yeah, yeah. Like this can help me save times and be efficient. And this one is trying to like to improve not just in English thinking style. Yeah. Yeah, I think you did help me a lot. So I think like study Bibles every day. It really helped me a lot. Thanks God. Yeah. Yeah. Learn more about the Bibles. Best Bibles. Learn more about the best North Bibles. Did help me a lot. Feel grateful. Feel grateful every day. Feel grateful and be touched every day. Did land or not? Did land or not? Thankful. Grace. Yeah. Yeah, so next what I think and also is my schedules. Not a little bit too late, but I think it's fun. Tomorrow my I have enough time to my class, so no worries. And here is what I am thinking about. Yeah, and I also need to I think I need to communicate with my grandfather. I miss them so much. When I think about them, my tears can almost goes down. So like this time, I like this time is like in here is like Sundays, so Sunday night. Yeah. And also I thinking about it, it's like everyone are very busy, but we still like to spend times to study Bibles together. It's so grateful, I'm so thankful for it. And I am thinking very fast, but I lack interest to communicate, so my communication with other people is almost like no ideas. It's like not interesting. So okay, so here it is. So it's like the thinking style are quite different. So yeah, and it's office hours. So maybe like tomorrow tomorrow is Thursday. Thursday maybe I can try and try. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Thursday. My daytime for all week homework. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. And that's all is done. Okay. Okay. I really thankful. Oh, okay. I will decode this one later. Yeah. Thanks so much. Thanks so much. Here, I think many times when I study this, I think I need to learn this one first. It's like it's to like make a view. Maybe I know how to code them, but if I don't explain them very clearly, I don't think it really works. So I think maybe I need to like here is array, right? So what can I learn from here? Yeah, and here okay. So here is like two arrays, right? So I need to learn like arrays or something. Oh, what's happening? 300, right? Okay. So I think it's which day it is. It's so behind. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So today I think I finish next day. 18 should be like January 21. Okay. Okay. Today I think I will finish this today. So when I finish, I can do it today is like 18, should be 300, right? No problem. So what do we learn today? Okay, now I just try to finish this one, and it said the 300 is longest increase subsequence, and give array is numbers and return the longest, and increase subsequence. Subsequence is a sequence. What do you mean? Is like to delete something because like this. What's the difference of this one? It can be this one because you can delete 0 and 1 and also 2. Yeah, and then next year you can delete something, but you cannot add something. So from this one, like how no like this. What's the increase number? It's like 2 7, right? It's increase. So it's like here is 4. It's like what? 0 also 2 0. Okay. Yeah, here is same. It's only 1 because it's 0. It's not increase at all. So I think that's how it goes. So I don't think this question is a tough question at all. I think it's an easy question because what do I say about it? It's like no, I don't need these companies. Okay. Because you can finish by arrays, binary search at DP, and you can see some like similar stuff. And this is a little bit popular. You can just like how can you finish this one? Is like try to write a for loop, and then for these numbers in numbers. And then just try to search everyone. You like this one, the biggest number. You can use set the sum and is 1. You like this one. You see, you cannot do it. So also the sum. So it's you get max sum. You sum equals max sum or some like this one plus 1 like this. So it depends. This one no difference. Like this one 5, you can become 2. So now it's 2. Like this one is also 2. No differences. And this one makes difference. It's 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and this 1 2 3 4. So no differences. So how can we write down this one? I don't think we need to like review some basic stuff. I think this one is only you can buy like DP dynamic programming. How to spell this one is like DP, right? My pronounce need to improve or not. It's okay. Dynamic programming. Okay.
Dynamic programming.
Dynamic programming.
Dynamic programming.
Dynamic programming. Okay. We can you use this one to finish this. I think it should be easy because it can be solved by some small stuffs, and then you can just like how can I show this one? I think you can. I write in the code first, and then you can see what's the differences of this one. So I just write by Java. Okay, or you can create a int list for DP as a new int. Here is like to numbers names. It means numbers names, stuff inside, and then it's just like arrays. Fill on this one with number 1. Okay, and then you can write down for like 2 for loops for just okay. I know it happens when it's Chinese. It goes by this way. So int I equals 1. I numbers I plus plus. Okay. For int equals 0, j minus I, and j plus plus. Okay, because it's like 2 pointers, you can do it that way. Equal number sign more than numbers j. It means it's like increase. If it's increase, it's just like this number is maxed itself, or just this one plus one, because you can make some choice, right? Okay, so like here you can write just int longest equals zeros for anti-c in dp, or should I do here just like longest equals max longest. See, it's to return the longest stuff, and then you just return longest. That's it. It's easy. Just for every pointer, you just give it. It's like this way. You for needs to one is from here to the end. Okay, and you also get one from here, and you see like here you can see he's not right. He's not so just skip it. Okay, and then binding this way is 2. Okay, it's not. Okay, 5. Okay, 5 is like here is dp. What's dp is only 1 plus 1, so it's 2. Now it's 2. Okay, so 1 by 1, so it's 4. It's easy stuff. But now I just try some Python ways. Just dp equals 1 minus numbers. Okay, no problems. And for I in range from 1 numbers. For j in range I equals to I, no problems. And then if numbers I greater than numbers j, that works. So here just dpi maxed. This one, if you choose this one dpi, or you can choose like this one minus 1. So it depends. And then just return the max of dps. That's it. It's easy stuff. Okay. The second way, you can build a subsequences. For example, you can like by this way, just set a stop. Okay, here guys, numbers, zeros. Okay, for num in numbers, one inside, and then if num greater than sub minus. If he is greater, and then just by sum append. What's happening? Numbers. Get inside. If he's not, and then set my series. Here is if nums greater than sub this one. You need to okay, and then by this one by one and sub this one equals num, and then just return then of sub. That it works so great. It's very smart, I think. What's the problem of this one? Make me feel not good. I don't know what's the bug or of it. What's wrong with this one? You see? This one is not so smart. So that's how it works now. Feel not so great. But it's fun. And then the third one is like just get us up. And then for num in numbers, I just like by sig mapped sub num, and then you can and I say if I equals sub, it means it's great, and then you just append num. If it's not, you just sub this one. It's num, and then finish this one. You just return length of sub. It's very similar, but it's a little bit different. So that's how it works. Okay. So this question is done, totally done, full done. Okay. And this one is like binary search. Okay. And then now I just try this one. It's called a V. I don't know how to spell this one. I know the meaning of this is like a 0 or like a taught positive, negative, positive, negative. It's like this one. It's like
wiggle sequence. Wiggle sequence.
wiggle sequence.
Wiggle sequence.
Okay. It's a wiggle sequence. It is a sequence like differences with successive numbers between successive numbers.
Successive numbers.
Successive numbers like alternate between positive and negative. So the difference is maybe like Okay, so like this one is sequences because it's like positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay. Subsequence, no problems. We got subsequence. Okay. It's easy stuff. I think it's very easy to write down. You just see, like this one minus this one is positive or not. It's positive. Okay. It has one. If it's not, it's just like by this way. I think it's pretty easy. Yeah. It's not stuff. It's like only like some medium stuff. It's not very hard. So I think it's pretty easy. Yeah. So this one, maybe we try some brute force, try some other stuff. There's so many choices, For example, maybe we will try brute force. It's like here we can see. Okay. We can see if numbers length 2, you can just return numbers length. Okay. If it's not, just like get some like equations of max something like calculate functions. Here you can put nums, zeros, true. Okay. Or like calculate like nums, zeros, or false. So here we will say what's true and what's false. True is it means like great is greater. False is not greater. So that's it. Calculate. Okay. We can get int int index boolean is up. Okay. Nums index is up. Okay. Here say just like count minus zeros. Okay. So maybe it's okay. Don't be lazy. Max count is okay. For and ti equals index plus ones and numbers names I plus. Okay. And then if it's up or okay, it's here or great number index or here we need one more paragraph. So how to pronounce this one? No way.
brackets,
brackets,
parentheses,
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 parentheses.
parentheses,
Yeah, we need one more parentheses, and then here is also is up, same as this one. Maybe a slash there. Numbers index. Okay. Here we just said max count equals max count 1 plus calculate nums I not is up. Yeah, that's it. And then we finish all these for loops. We can return max count. That's it. That's all we need. What's happening? I have no idea. I do not want to debug it. It just takes too much time. I have no patience for it. So maybe sorry for it. Yeah, maybe I could just write down some easy style codings. If it all works, I have no interest to write again. So okay. Here we can also use like dynamic programming. Dynamic programming. Dynamic programming.
dynamic programming,
Dynamic programming. Dynamic programming. We can also use dynamic programming. Names minus 2. Just return itself is okay. If it's not, you can get int is down 1 up 1. Okay, and for names I plus plus for no if number sign greater than number sign it just up equals down plus 1. Okay, or number sign less than minus 1. Just get down. What's happening, man? Down equals up plus 1. Okay, that's it. Just return max down up. So like what this means? Down is like up is means that it's like what? It's like what do I say? it's great. So up is positive. This means positive. So it's 1. Okay, right? So it's positive. If it's not, and here is down is negative. Negative is also like this one is like, because it's like 1 bit 1 1 1 2 2 2 is like this one. If it's not, it just fail. Yeah. So that's how it works. Yeah. So like here, if we write like a Python coding, we can, if no nums, no exists, just return zeros. If there are some names, -1, up equals nums for I in range 1, length of numbers. Okay. And then we just see if number sign greater than numbers I plus 1, I minus 1, and up is not equals to true. What is true? True is like positive. And then ends, and up is true. Okay. Or like if number sign less than number sign I minus 1, and up not is false, means up is false. Okay, that's great. Just like return, that is okay. That sounds good. It's easy. I think next today's coding homeworks, I just do the codings of these ones. The longest increase subsequence and bigger subsequence. Right? I think my pronunciation should be correct, right?
Longest increasing subsequence.
Longest increasing subsequence. Longest increasing subsequence. Okay. No problems. I think that's it. Today's homeworks. Okay. Thank you. I think everything should be done. That's great. That's great.